Hi, in this video I'm going to bring you along from north of Sweden, Skellefteå, to south of Sweden on a car trip. I will be showing you how I pack and organize all my camping stuff. Also, what kind of food we will be eating during this trip, what are the essential things that you might need. I will also share with you some of our experience at some of the stops that we took. I hope this information is useful for those of you who are planning to car camping in Sweden, especially if you are looking for a budget way to travel stress-free. First of all, let me show you how I organize my car. What are the setup in order to be able to sleep in the car comfortably. Here comes my packing for my car camping. This is the covers that we use to cover all our windows so we get privacy. So we stick this onto the window. So if you've been following me, you know that I have made this myself. And we have a cooling bag where we could charge it with a 12-volt energy so that we could get this working. This is a bottle of water that I freeze it so that I could use it to further cool down my mini fridge. I don't really have so much. These are all my plates and my cooking gear, fork and spoon, and then I have some chopping board. Just some food that I bring, some tuna, some coffee, some soup, and then some rice, some biscuit, ham, the tea. We have some soup, and this is quite good, chili con carne. And then we have some sopa, it's a pea soup. Really good because on the road you might get hungry. And this basin is really good because I can stack this one. Let me just show you. I can stack this one on top of each other. We have only half tank of water because we will be staying at friends and family's place for 4 days, so we don't need so much. We could fill it up later on. One thing I really like is having this filter because you never know what water you're gonna get on the road. And these are all my practical gear. I have a mini fan and a toilet paper, and then I have some extra bags where I put toiletry in this one, and then also a lamp if we need them, because now it could get quite busy with the mosquito. And always need to have in Sweden is this mosquito spray. Back of the car, I have 2 bags here. 1, 2. These are my clothing. I find it's easier to reach out instead of digging from a bag like that. And then LG has his costume, and then we have our tables and chair underneath here. And this one is my bedding, my pillow, my blanket, and then my toiletry and my makeup. And LG has his on his side. So what we do is that we will just push these seats backward, and we just put our bed sheets and blanket, and then we just lie down from the front seat, and then we just sleep like that. This place is really chill, I find. It has 2 seating areas, one here and one there, and the toilet is in between. You have a door opening here, and then it will open by itself, and then this is how it looks like. This is the basin where you could wash, you have some lotion to wash, and then to dry it, and then you press the toilet seat. And here's the toilet paper. And then for the children or babies, you can put this down so you could dress the baby. So if you want to go out, you just go, and then it will open by itself. The other toilet is slightly smaller. It's not as big. Let me show you. Here, this is how it looks like. It's not as big, but it's still okay to use. Then there's a small playground for the children. There's a lake here. Wow, it's definitely pretty here. I think I'm gonna fry my drone later. There is a shelter here where you could have some barbecue. It's beautiful. You can take a walk in this trail. You can smell the smell of the pine. It's much more calm here. Look at this place. You have a table and a chair. Here, one. Over here, too. Somebody's there. Let's not disturb them. Okay, that's so nice, this place. But really beautiful, right? Okay, let's go back for breakfast. I think it's a lot of traffic at this hour. But it's really nice that LG could fix the food while we are camping, because so I can do some video. In the past, I only take care of the food. And you know, that's why I don't have so much footage about the nature, the places that we visit. So now I leave everything to him. The food, he could fix it himself, so I could go around and look at the environment, which is so beautiful, right? Some 3-in-1 tea, and then we have some sandwich. LG didn't take out the plate, so he used a chopping board for that plate. Plate. This one is really good. A camping kitchen, we call that. You could boil water just using this tea red, we call that, alcohol. And it's quite effective because it's protected at the side, so it boils faster. reach this cage. It's called the Tilastro. Oh, yeah, it's cool in here. Oh my God, look at this, it feels cold. Look at the smells.
Har du telefon?
Ja. Har du ingen telefon? No. I asked LG to. The floor is a bit wired. You can see it's wired. So it's not a big risk that you might slip and fall. But again, don't go so fast. Wait for me. This is the end of the tunnel. And you can see this hole. You can go through there. And it's not allowed to go there. But look at the sky. I mean, you can see the sky and the tree. The
Nowadays,
root.
yes. Probably not
Before. And over here, there's this hole too. And there's water accumulating. Be careful, the ceiling can be a bit cold. Oh, it's very cold in here. Huh? It's cold. Oh my God. It feels like winter again. Must be at least 8 degrees or 5 degrees Celsius here. I could feel the droplets of the water. Oh my God, look at the ground. Okay. Wow, look at that. How cool is that? That's water. LG, did you know about this place?
No.
You have no idea, right? Oh my God, look at this place. Wow. Look.
Så där kan man gå ut.
Wow. It's so cool, this place. And then can we go out?
Ja, det är schakt här nere.
Wow. Okay, I better not drop my phone. But it's so cool. You come in from this hole, and then you are into this bigger hole. Oh my God. Can you go out from there? It's a stop there.
Kom och lys.
Huh?
Kom och lys.
See what is in here. Oh, it's a continuing. So, häftigt.
Super.
That cage was amazing. Now, it's a bit challenging here. There are some rocks we have to go up. It's a bit steep here, so you have to be careful where we are walking. It's so beautiful here. Well, okay, let's go down. Look at this place. Jesus, so beautiful. Look at the surrounding. Look at the surrounding. Oh, we wear some good walking shoe. I can't come here with my slipper. At the tree. Vargkulen. There's supposed to be wolf here. Hey. 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 We are back in the car. And this is how it looked like. Oh, it feels nice to be back. Let's continue our journey. For the first 4 days of our trip, we probably spent time with the family and the friends. And we are planning to go over to Finland by boat, or you call it by ferry. And from there, we'll try to take as easy as possible. Hopefully this trip is relaxing, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you do give a hype, and I hope to see you in my next.